Most people dream about being rich, but some people are built for it, even if they don't realize it yet. Here are 5 signs you're made for wealth. 1. You see money as a tool, not a reward. While others chase money to spend it, you think about how to use it. You're more focused on freedom than flexing. 2. You learn fast and unlearn faster. Wealthy people adapt. If you're willing to question what you were taught about success and upgrade your thinking, you're already ahead. 3. You're obsessed with solving problems. You don't avoid challenges, you analyze them. That's the mind of an entrepreneur, investor, or leader. You don't run from complexity, you lean into it. 4. You delay pleasure to build something greater. Discipline is your default. While others are distracted by trends, you're focused on long-term value. 5. You never feel at home in mediocrity. You've always had a strange discomfort with the average life. Not because you're ungrateful, but because something in you knows you're meant for more. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about what you earn. It's about how you think. If these signs feel familiar, you don't need permission. You need a plan. Because deep down, you were made for wealth. Now it's your turn. If this spoke to you, don't just scroll. Comment, "I'm ready," and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your mindset is your greatest investment. Start treating it like one.